Craig Cameron here, and in this series of videos, I'm going to desensitize and show you how to make a brave horse. You know, visiting about horses and horsemanship and laying a foundation to desensitize and create a brave horse, you know, it can be an everyday process. And I'm going to show you how it finally becomes everyday without having to come into a corral or a round pen. And I don't necessarily even need a round pen to do this, but it's handy for filming, so I'm using it. But so far we've worked at Liberty, we've worked with the halter, we've worked with the flag, we've done all sorts of different types of work, again, gaining confidence with this horse. You know, right now I have just an old brown Tarp, and it's a pretty old one. It's probably rubbed a lot of horses and been on the ground, so it doesn't smell new or anything. But anything I'm going to use on my horse, I'm going to introduce it to him first. Always introduce everything to him first. You know, I can just touch him here, 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 and you can see I got it folded up. I don't come out waving it and wonder why it spooks him. Remember, this is a prey animal, and he has a prey animal mentality. Self-preservation is his number one instinct. So present it, try to present it in a way he can understand, and give him the time it takes for him to understand. So if he needs to spook, let him spook in a way that allows him to figure out he doesn't need to spook. Again, that's called learning. So as I bring my Tarp, I keep it wadded up here, and just kind of start rubbing this horse. And this Tarp makes a little bit of noise. Here. I think I'll keep it just still folded up and come around on this side. Now it's starting to get a little bit bigger here. Now I can open it up a little bit. Not totally, and this isn't a real big Tarp. Here. So all the horses that come, and even if they say they're good riding horses, I do this kind of work because by the time they come to pick this horse up through this kind of work and the riding, their horses, they're going to see a tremendous difference. A calmer, more gentle, a safer type horse. So here goes my Tarp here. I'm watching him. See, I'm watching him, you know, just to see how he's doing with that. Here. Pretty soon I touch him here. And here, and here, and here. I'm not asking him to go, just the same as I did with my lead line. I'm going around his legs, here, just all this type of stuff. And if he's spooked, shoot, I might fold it back up, start again. I'm trying to work with the horse, not against the horse. So this time I'm going to fold it out a little wider. You can see it's a different color on the inside. When he kind of checks it out, let him check it out. Let him check it out. See, with his nose, he's not just smelling it, he's also feeling it. Understand that. Boy, he's really checking it out. So here. Touch my horse. All over. Here. I want him to get really rock solid with it. All the way around their legs. Watch, sometimes I'll take it around their neck, pull it like this. Here, I can do the same thing like this. Come under here, just like that. Check him out. Now, I got to go to that other side now. Got to work the other side here. Anything I can do to get these horses more relaxed, more gentle, to be safer to work with, easier to work with, that's what I'm going to do. Here. There. A scared, nervous horse is hard to work with, hard to train, harder to develop the stop and the back and the turn. So I can get these horses sure. I can just do this really good a few times, then I'll show you how I do it later on an everyday basis. That just takes a moment, and pretty soon you got these really genuinely quiet, brave horses that are a blast to be around.